ActivInspire makes customizing your flip chart simple by providing a browser for each area. The browsers allow you to see at a glance what's already included in your flip chart, what else you could add or customize, and how to do this. If your browsers are not visible, simply go to View and select Browsers. Let's begin with the Page Browser. Page Browser helps you to quickly put together the foundations of your flip chart. View the entire flip chart as page thumbnails, navigate flip chart pages, and organize pages. Right-click on any flip chart page for more options. Next up is the Resource Browser. Resource Browser helps you to use the resources provided with ActivInspire to enrich your flip charts. Select Shared Resources to access a wide range of activities, backgrounds, grids, images, sounds, subject-specific materials, and more. Let's look at the Objects Browser. Object Browser identifies each of the objects on your page, including annotations, text, shapes, images, and more. Although a page is flat, a flip chart actually has 4 layers: the top layer, middle layer, bottom layer, and background layer. Use the Object Browser to drag and drop to reorder layering, and also use it to view hidden or locked objects. Fourth from the left is the Notes Browser. The Notes Browser allows you to make notes on your flip chart in any way you choose. This can be helpful if sharing resources with your colleagues. Property Browser helps you to see all of the properties of your flip chart page itself, as well as the properties for each object, for instance, this selected star shape. Expand or collapse any of the menus for options to customize. Action Browser is located second from the right. Action Browser helps you to easily apply an action to an object for added interactivity. When you and your students select an object, the action that you have associated with that object will happen. All actions are clearly categorized and accessible from this drop-down menu, as well as this larger menu. Lastly, there is a Voting Browser. You can always use the Toolbox options and Pin toolbox icons to change the placement of your browsers, or click the small X to close them entirely. You may always return to View to reinstate them.